Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I want to show you the units that were taken to the Hershey area. We're doing a meet and greet. This is a 42 MD. So this is one of the units that we're taking. These are all luxury fifth wheels. So this is the 42 MD. This unit here is a 38 GFB. This unit we're taking. They're doing the final prep before we go down there. We're getting everything packed up. This is a Luxe Gold. It's got the attic storage up there. We're also taking a front living. This is our front living. It's got 6 slides. It's a 44 FL. They're getting that all ready. And we're also taking a toy hauler. And as you can see, he's getting that all spiffed up for us. And I believe this is a 16-foot garage. It's a 48 FB. So hey, come and visit us. We'd love to see you. We're going to be at a location called the Star Barn. It's just about 30 minutes south of the Hershey show. So that's where we're going to be. Going to be at the Star Barn. It's in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. So hey, come out and visit us. We'd love to see you. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. And if you go to the About menu page, you'll see a menu item called Hershey Meet and Greet. You just click on that if you want to schedule an appointment, or if you want to just show up. We'll be glad to greet you. And you all have a good day, and love to see you there so you can get inside these units and take a look and touch and feel. So have a great day. Talk to you later.